Hi Kalani, my name is Christian and I really appreciate you taking a few moments to watch this video that we shot for you. By the end of the video you'll have 3 key tools that you can use yourself to greatly improve your search engine optimization, or SEO. In other words, show up in the top results for Google searches. The reason we send these videos out is to provide a lot of value and show business owners exactly what they can do to improve their online presence. We find that a lot of times business owners are too busy running their business, or they just don't have the know-how, and they can see that we clearly know what we're talking about, so they decide to work with us. So at the end of the video, feel free to take the provided information and put it to use yourself. If, however, you can see that we really know our stuff and be interested in working with us, then please reach out and we can set up a time to discuss the possibilities of moving forward. Okay, let's get on to the 3 main points. So the first one we're going to talk about is content. Google loves to see content, and this here is clearly your website. You guys have a beautiful website, by the way. It's very, very well done. Some great pictures, lots of calls to action. It looks really, really good. Now, Google's going to come on to all the websites and crawl it and basically see what is the content on the website. That way they know when people run a search for Sprinkler Houston, for example, they know which companies, which websites to give them in the search results when they do that. So Google loves to see content. Ideally, you want to have 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page to be at the top. Now, I ran a count on you guys, Kalani, and you guys have 559 words on your home page. So that's one thing you could do, is increase the content of your home page to that 1,500 word mark, and that's going to really help you. 2 of your big competitors, JB Irrigation, for example, they have 585 words, so just a few more than you. That 1,500 is going to easily beat them. And then the other one I was looking at is Light It Right, as far as the landscaping illumination goes. So they have 600 words. Again, very easy to beat. So try to get up to 1,500 words of content on your home page, and you'll be doing great. Now, the other thing to take a look at is, again, we go to these competitors of yours. This is Light It Right. This is a tool that we have for search engine optimization called Ahrefs. And here you can see that their website is being seen by Google for 1,300 keywords. Keywords are when people go into Google and actually punch in a term that they're searching for. Okay? So Light It Right is being seen for 1,300 keywords, and that Google is pushing 655 traffic on a monthly basis to their website. And if we take a look at what keywords they're being seen for, you can see that these are buyer intent keywords, right? You've got landscape lighting Houston, outdoor lighting Houston, Houston outdoor lighting, and they're being seen, or the monthly volume is this figure here. So there's 200 searches a month for that term, for that keyword, 450, 300, and so forth. So you want to take these keywords here and incorporate them into that content on your home page and on your service pages in order to rank for that. The other one, JB Irrigation, they're being seen by Google for 874 words, and they're getting 615 users or traffic coming from Google every single month to their website. If we take a look at their keywords, it's Sprinkler Houston, Sprinkler Repair Houston, Houston Sprinkler Repair. And here there's approximately 700 just on those first 3 keywords searches per month going to their website. Or in Google, I should say, on a monthly basis. Obviously, whoever's at the top of the search results is going to see the bulk of the clicks from those searches. If we take a look at you guys, SwissInc.com, you guys are doing actually really good. You've got 528 keywords, and you're seeing 428 users or traffic being pushed to your website every single month. But if we look at those keywords, you'll notice that it's when people are searching most of your traffic, right here you got 142, 130, 22, so forth, is when they're searching for your company, Southwest Irrigation Systems, Southwest Irrigation Systems, Southwest Irrigation. Okay, ideally you want to get, and in here it shows your position, right? Obviously you're the second and first position when people are specifically Googling your company. But you want to find those buyer intent keywords like Irrigation Houston or Houston Irrigation, right? Houston Sprinkler is another big one. Those are the buyer intent keywords that are also tied into a location like Houston that are actually going to get you people that aren't just specifically looking for your company, but they're looking for that service, and then you want your company to show up in the results without them knowing your company name. So what you want to do is you want to take those key words that people are searching for, like the landscape lighting is one of your services, and the sprinklers is the other main service, and you want to incorporate them in those 1,500 words of content on your homepage. Okay, that's going to get you way up on Google. The other key thing you can do is if you right-click on your images and press Save As, it's showing here SWIS Drainage Correction Hero. That's what Google sees there. This one here, Save Image As, shows up as PBL 5459. Okay? You can rename all of your images on your website to those keyword phrases. So Sprinkler Houston, Houston Sprinklers, Outdoor Lighting Houston. Okay? And that's going to also drive a lot more traffic to your website. If we take an actual look at the Google search results for Sprinkler Houston, one of those main keywords, typically above here you're going to get the Google paid ads results. And then you have this section here which is called the Google Map Pack, right? And these first three companies are the ones that are going to receive a huge amount of clicks when people are searching for that term. You can see that JB is there in second place. The next section below that is what we call the organic search results. And these are all the listings that show up organically without paying for any ads and not being up in the map pack. Again, JB Irrigation is in the top spot. You have Yelp, which is a directory, and then Andy Sprinkler. So how you rank high in this organic listing, in the organic results, is mainly, like I said, through the content on your website and making sure that those keyword phrases are in that content. The next question is, how do you rank high on the Google Map Pack? And this is what's called citations. So citation is where your company name, address, and phone number are listed online in online directories like yellowpages.com, Yelp, House, all those other things like that. Another tool you can look at is called whitespark.ca, and it'll show you, here's you guys for example, how many citations or how many times each business is listed in online directories. Now you guys have 39. JB has 18 and Light It Right has 36. So you're actually beating them. We would suggest you go out and grab another 75 citations, and that's going to blow them out of the water. When you get your organic search results come up, then you're also going to rank a lot higher and be in this top 3 on the Google Map Pack. The last thing I wanted to show you was something called backlinks. So backlinks are where a third-party website is pointing back to your website. And ideally you want these to be relevant websites, not websites from other countries in different languages or in completely different fields. So if we take a look at Light It Right, they've got 975 backlinks from 218 different websites. And if we take a look at JB Irrigation, they've got 256 backlinks from 135 different websites. If we take a look at you guys, so we have to go back here. You guys have 366 from 52 different websites. So you're going to want to get this up to 600, 700, 800 backlinks, and you want to have this at around 150 to 200 different websites. Now it's interesting, in this tool, we can click on JB Irrigation's backlinks, for example, and we can see exactly every single one of his links, or their links, I should say, that they have coming in, and we can go after those, plus add more. Okay, so that in a nutshell gives you the 3 main things. So in summary, get your content on your homepage up to 1,500 words. Make sure that you have all those keywords plugged throughout that content. Resave all of your images with keyword phrases. Go out, grab another 75 citations online, get yourself listed 75 other places. And also, go out and get those extra backlinks that you need. If you do those 3 things, you're going to absolutely knock out the competition, and you're going to see the bulk of that traffic that they're seeing flow through to your website. This is our website, Digital Tech Marketing. Again, my name's Christian. My phone number here is 832-284-6688. If you like what you saw and you'd like to discuss further the possibilities of us working together, feel free to reach out. Thanks for your time again. Have a wonderful day.